Hi, I'm Andrew Ledford, and we're back with another hat repair video. I'm sure that a lot of you have seen my old video on repairing my favorite Stetson Cowboy hat. Well, it worked fairly well. You can see it's held up a bit. It's been several months. It actually held really well for a couple months, and then it started to break down. So today we're going to try something new. I have some cheap synthetic felt here. I want to cut a little bit of this off, and I am going to use it almost like a patch. Let's probably need better scissors, but these are going to have to do. Might need my Swiss Army knife. No, I think that'll do it. I think this might be enough. Might need a little bit bigger. Yeah, it's not quite long enough. We need one about twice that long for this particular tear. And I've noticed it's starting to tear in a few new places, so today we're going to reinforce those. I think this should do. Little strip here. Yep. I think that'll do it. And this time, instead of using hot glue, we're using some of this monkey glue, the ape glue with the gorilla on it. And going to just use this fine brush here. Get a little bit on there. And take this, we're going to spread this apart here a bit. Coat both sides nicely, and then kind of stick them together and see if that works. I'll hold it there for a few minutes, and then I will put on the patch. This is a pretty well used hat. It's broken up a lot of dog fights. Saved a lot of people from getting bit, and you can see pretty darn well worn. It's just not going to hold. I was afraid of that. Okay, so we're going to go with method number 2. So we're going to dab quite a bit on here. And try one more time to get some kind of a bond. Well, I seriously doubt this is going to work. The hot glue worked pretty well for a little while. Okay, that method is not looking good. So, off to method number 2. Put some on here. Take my long patch, put it right on top, push it down. I might need to get a different kind of glue for this. Don't want my fingers stuck to it really. Okay, there. I'm going to see if we can pick this up here. I think it might stick there fairly well. We'll try it anyway. And then let's do the bottom side. Going to apply a liberal dose of the glue. put this over here. Actually, I'd like some on the edge, I believe. Right in here. And then fold it over. Does look kind of like a patch though. I'm hoping I get another, what, 5 years out of the hat? This thing, I've probably worn this hat for over 25 years. Pretty much every day. Okay, I think that might do it. There's a new tear starting back here. I'm going to try to just put some glue on that and see if I can stop it from actually forming into a complete tear. I'm going to do it on the bottom. And again, quite a bit. I'd really like it to sink into the felt. I think the more the felt absorbs it, the better it will work. There's some people over there. And I'm going to get an extra amount right here where where it's beginning to tear, where it ends. Hoping that that kind of takes care of it. And I believe, oh, I don't want to stick into the wood. I'm going to do this side as well. There, that's good. And all these tears up here on the crown, I think I'm going to try to stop them as well by dabbing some inside there. See if that might help a little. Might not look the best. But again, I'm just hoping it'll last a couple more years, but 5 would be great. 5 more years would be great. And by then, my new dress hat should be worn out enough that I can maybe use it for my work hat. Oh, put a tad here in the front of the brim where it's starting to get a little dog tooth there. Maybe just underneath. Yes. Now we'll see how this one works for the next 6, 7 months. And I think that should do it until the next video. Okay, have a wonderful day. Bye.